Want to unlock your Metro by T-Mobile phone? Here's how to check your eligibility. For prepaid plans, your device needs to be active on Metro for at least 12 months with your account in good standing. Postpaid plans require only 60 days of active service. Crucially, the phone can't be reported lost, stolen, or linked to fraud. Once these criteria are met, you're eligible for a free unlock under FCC regulations. Remember to have your IMEI number ready. Dial 66 to find it. Ready to unlock? Visit Metro's website at metrobitmobile.com/unlock or use the Metro app. Have your IMEI number and account details handy. Submit your unlock request online. Most modern devices unlock remotely within 24 to 48 hours. You might receive an unlock code for older phones. After confirmation, insert your new SIM card. Metro by T-Mobile does not charge unlocking fees, aligning with FCC rules. Note that using unauthorized third-party unlocking services can void your warranty.